Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, October 10th, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed sharply lower today. The Nasdaq Composite Index led declines, dropping 3.5% to 22,204. The S&P 500 Index fell 2.7% to 6,551, breaking downward after 3 days of consolidation. The Russell 2000 Index declined 3% to 2,394. Market breadth was decisively negative. In the Nasdaq Composite, decliners overwhelmed advancers by nearly 8-1. The S&P 500 saw similar weakness with just 78 advancers versus 416 decliners. The Dow 30 had only 3 advancing stocks. Weekly returns were broadly negative, with the S&P 400 Midcap Index showing the largest decline at minus 3.9%. Despite today's sell-off, year-to-date returns remain positive, led by the Nasdaq Composite at 15%. Defensive sectors showed relative strength today. Consumer defensive was the only sector to finish positive, gaining 0.25%. Utilities limited losses to 0.44%, though it couldn't hold on to an intraday record high. Technology led the market lower. The technology sector dropped 3.9% after hitting an intraday record. Consumer cyclical fell 3.2%, breaking down from 4 days of sideways movement. Energy declined 2.8%. Global markets showed resilience. India was nearly flat, dipping just 0.075%. Finland and Belgium limited losses to under 0.5%, with Belgium showing very strong positive trend momentum. Year-to-date returns remain robust for these markets. Finland leads with a 31% gain, followed by Belgium at 29%. Sweden has advanced 26% despite today's weakness. Major tech stocks face significant pressure today. Amazon led the decline, falling 5% to 216.17. Nvidia dropped nearly 5% despite maintaining a very strong positive trend. Meta Platforms and Apple declined 3.8% and 3.4% respectively, while Alphabet showed downward volatility, marking its 4th consecutive down day.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Major cryptocurrencies are showing weakness today. Bitcoin is currently at 116,924, down 4,789, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Ethereum has dropped significantly, down 8.1% to 4,014. Solana is down 6.3% to 207, while Dogecoin has fallen 5.8%. Looking at returns, BNB stands out with a strong month-to-date gain of 22.1% and an impressive year-to-date return of 75.7%. Most other cryptocurrencies are showing negative weekly returns, with Ethereum down 11% this week and Solana declining 9.5%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is showing mixed performance against major currencies. The US dollar has weakened 0.35 cents against the euro, despite showing strong upward volatility. Against the British pound, it's down 0.25 pence, while maintaining very strong upward momentum. The dollar has retreated nearly 1.40 points versus the yen. However, it's gained 1.62 cents against the Aussie dollar, marking 2 consecutive days of advances.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.